Check out this little rolling stool that the brand sent over for me to try. This thing is pretty nice. First of all, assembly was really straightforward. All the pieces went together great, and I found the manual to be clear and easy to understand. And you can see this is a great little chair. It rolls really nicely. It does have a footrest here, which is fantastic. There's a little knob here you can use to tighten it up so it doesn't move around. You can also like raise it and lower it. So if you want it to be higher, you can lift it up, tighten it, then it'll stay, and so on. This thing also raises up to a really nice tall height. So if you have like a standing desk or something like that, and you want to have a little bit of a taller stool to kind of sit on while you're at your standing desk, I think this is a great option for that. That's actually the reason why I have it. This desk is adjustable, and I wanted something that I could still maybe kind of sit on occasionally while I'm standing at my standing desk. So, and again, like I said, overall, this thing is very comfortable. It's really nice to sit on. And again, it's adjustable, so it can go up and down, and adjust to whatever you need it to adjust to. So overall, really pleased with it. I want to say thank you so much to the brand for sending it to me to try, and I would highly recommend it.